Hey guys, some very good news. One of my old videos that remember the copyright claim I disputed because this YCPMV scan was blocked worldwide. Well, since Sesame Workshop didn't review in 30 days, the copyright claim on my YTPMV scan has been released, and now the video is unblocked. Let's go! Sesame Workshop, do not block my other YTPMV Sesame Street scans. Okay, like and subscribe.